Hello, this is Dave from ERC, and we're here at the Potts Float and Fly at the lake. And Barney is going to take this Polaris XL Seaplane out for a flight. He has removed the FPV gear from the plane to make it a little bit lighter. This is the way it used to look before the FPV gear was removed. So let's let Barney give a little explanation of the changes he made, and then we'll take the flight.
The Polaris, see, I had to move the battery up here.
Yeah.
Because you had it back here because you had all your FPV stuff. So yeah, I just cut all this off and had to redo everything, move the ESC up here, make some longer wires for the motor.
All right, Barney's going to fly the Polaris. This is the Polaris XL. It's the one I used to have FPV gear in, but he's refitted it. There it goes. I'm in position.
For 64 turns towards Richmond. It's right in that area through there. But anyway, I used to spin that thing all the time.
Oh yeah, nice. See if I can zoom in just a little more.
Which again, they don't have the systems in the engine. The oil systems
Going
do it
way
anyway.
down
It's
there.
an inverted system do that. Go dry, right? It's what? It would go dry with oil? Oh yeah. Most aerobatic airplanes, real aerobatic airplanes, have a dry sunk in separate oil tank. The oil tank.
Little touch and go.
So it always picks up oil. I used to fly Stardust too. Inverted systems. Fluid around inverted a whole lot.
Oh yeah. Nice. Fooled me there. I didn't know it was going to go right. Look at that wind. Couple of spins there. Couple of rolls.
It's all fly for about 20 minutes.
Let's see if I can. There you go. Now really zoomed in. It's a little. Just doing a little hovering in the wind. I'm really zoomed in, so it's hard to hold the camera steady. But yeah, that's really something.
And it's down.
This is when you wish you had a smaller tank. This is when you wish you had a smaller tank. It'll take a while to let that thing dry. The boats won't out later.
Here the
The problem is
sounds like a 5-minute warning, maybe. I don't know.
Over the last 2-3 minutes I've been flying with stuck high throttle. Just flying till it runs out there and quits.
Going around again. I guess we didn't have the right angle on that approach to get into the boat ramp. So we're going around again. Here we come. Ooh, there it is. Super duper.
Yeah, that thing's a lot of fun.
A lot of good aerobatics. Yeah, I only flew it a couple times and I had FPV on it.
Yeah,
But
it's probably a little heavy with all the FPV stuff on it, but
yeah, it does great
it does
like
the
that.
Harrier and everything.
It's really light now.
Yeah, it's light.
Light and responsive.